1, 2, 3, microphone check. One, two, three, microphone check. Okay. Loud and clear. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel QANSIGLIERE. Today I'm going to talk about opportunity to keep environment credentials outside of the code in... No, let's try one more time. I need more coffee. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel QANSIGLIERE. Today I'm going to discuss about opportunity to keep environment credentials outside of the code in JavaScript. But at the beginning of this conversation, let me remind you guys that you have a great opportunity to send me any questions directly. To do that, you just need to open my YouTube channel. Click here to get access to all available links and click on the first link. It will open a new page with Google Form, where you can write your questions and send them to me. From my side, I'm going to review all questions and try to answer them in next videos. So, what we are going to do today? We are going to discuss about ability to keep environment credentials outside of the code in JavaScript. Sometimes it happens that you need to have some specific credentials and you do not want to share them with other engineers or with other departments or with other people. And what we can do in this case? Let's launch Visual Studio Code. Let's open new project. Okay, this one can we close? Okay, let's create a new project. Open folder, GitHub, new folder, and let's call it env credentials. And let's create it. Let's open this project and let's create a simple file. Let's call it test.js and let's prepare some code. Console log 1, 2, and 3. In my previous video, we started to develop an integration with TestRail, and to make this integration, we need to know 3 parameters: URL for TestRail, username, its email address, and API key. And first approach is to write these 3 parameters in your code and use it, and it means that these credentials will be hard-coded. But in case if I want to share my code with other companies or with other people, I do not want to share with them my personal credentials. And what we can do in this case, we can use this new approach. Let's create a new file and call it testrail.env. And here let's write the following code. Export testrail URL. Let's call it QANSIGLIERE.com. Right? Let's write another string export testrail username, and let's call it QANSIGLIERE@gmail.com, and let's create the third variable testrail API key, and let's call it QWERTY. Let's save it, and let's now try to read these parameters in JavaScript. To do that, let's launch terminal and write the first command, source, and provide the path to your env file. In our case, it's testrail.env. Press enter, and now all these three variables will be available for JavaScript. Let's write here process env, and let's copy this parameter. Now let's copy this one parameter, and let's copy this one. Right, and let's execute our file test.js. Press enter, and you can see our JavaScript is available to work with our environment credentials. And in case if you do not want to share your personal environment in any GitHub or GitLab project, you can add any environment file to gitignore, and people will not be able to see your personal credentials in case if you commit your changes or if you publish your changes in any GitHub or GitLab repository. For today, guys, that's it. Thank you very much for your time and have a nice week. Bye.